Okay, we're going to try a little side project here while we're waiting for something to cool down so we can work on that. So what happened was, when I put this cover on, no excuses, but it catches a little bit, I think, and I think I pulled too hard and I broke one side of this. So I've been being careful, because if I break the other side, then I'm definitely in trouble. But what I'd like to do is take this apart and try to fix that. I know I could buy a new one, but I want to see if I can fix it. So it looks like I took 2 screws out there, and there's a plug here, so I need to remove that, and probably one on the other side. And then I'm not sure about this. Oh, maybe that has to come off too, or maybe it just yeah, maybe not. Oh, it looks like because I pulled that, this is already falling down. Okay, so I need to get this apart, and let's see what we run into. Let's see if we can get this fixed.